So I presented to you the unboxing of the 8-channel kit with these cameras here, which is regular cameras, 4 megapixel cameras. But we also have a 16-channel kit for bigger installations, bigger jobs, bigger house. Same situation, the cameras are exactly the same. So the 16-channel kit comes with 12 cameras. And of course, the main difference is the NVR, right? So it's a 16-channel NVR. Let's have a look at the NVR. So, works the same way as the 8. So, sorry, all PoE, 16-channel. You can add, you have 4 free positions basically. So you can add another additional 4 cameras, any camera in our lineup. Let's have a look at the NVR here. All right, so here we go. Basically 16 channels of PoE ports. So you'll use up 12 or less. Again, I think the same situation. If you don't need 12 cameras, you only need 8, or I think it's a great idea to buy the kit and just carry over the cameras that you have left over for other jobs. So 16 PoE ports, 1 port to get out onto the world for the apps and VMS, onto a router, peer-to-peer communication, a VGA port. You've got also an inputs and outputs, so it's a little different from the 8-channel one. Let me have a look here. There's 8, I believe 8 outputs and 8 inputs directly on the machine to trigger, you know, external lighting, sirens, you know, you can trigger something on motion at that point. Audio as well, input and output, and HDMI and a VGA port for your monitors. Again, they also, it's not a spot monitor, they're mirrored. Okay, you can use both of them, but a mirrored situation. It does also come with a 2 terabyte drive, installed, pre-installed, so there's not much programming to do or anything really. It's exactly the same thing as the 8. Let's just have a look at the accessories. Should be the same, more or less, yeah. So a mouse, full of screws for the drive, a much bigger power supply. Basically, it's a bigger unit, consumes a little more power, so power supply is in there as well. Plug, and of course the instructions that nobody will read. So, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you need more information, it's all on our website, as you can tell right here. And then you can also reach out to any one of our salespeople by email, by phone. Don't forget to subscribe if I didn't already say it. Thank you very much for watching.
If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and click subscribe on our channel so you don't miss future content.